want to do it all over again.
Yeah, thank you. It was really fun.
Thank you very much.
It's awesome.
Ah, it was crazy.
It's really fast. You couldn't really feel when you got in. As soon as you got in, it's just really fast.
Really fun. Yeah. What's up? Too good. Amazing.
Very good. Wow. Perfect. Yeah.
Welcome back to the grand opening of Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. Our VIP guests, Lujan Amran and Jaj Erdehi, are still in the studio, but before I joined them, I wanted to feel closer to those beautiful Ferrari cars. They came from Dubai, and we needed a helicopter to film them. We're back to the VIP studio at the grand opening of Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. I thought these cars were quite amazing, didn't you?
Yeah, of course, especially also the engine.
جورج أنا حسيتك شوي حايس.
حايس لأنه عم بتفرجينا 150 سيارة بدنا نشوف هلا الوصول عن جد يعني. لازم كلنا نقوم نروح نتفرج. مع انه ما الي
حنخليك تقوم حنخليك
ما الي قلب اترككم يعني بس
ولا احنا بدنا تتركنا
بس لازم نروح نتفرج.
بس اخر انطباع عندك ايه؟
اخر انطباعاتي اول شيء بدي هني ابو ظبي على هالانجاز، وانا بعرف انه هذا الانجاز ياتي من ضمن خطه ال 2030 اللي وضعها الشيخ محمد بن زايد لابو ظبي، يعني عام 2030. في كثير انجازات عم تحصل، عالم فيراري هو من بين هذه الانجازات، وهالعالم هيدا مش محصور فقط بفئة معينة من الناس، مفتوح لكل الناس مثل ما عرفت، مش بس الأطفال والأولاد واللي بيحبوا السيارات بيجوا، هيدا منتزه في كل شيء، يعني مربع ترفيهي في كل شيء، وكل إنسان بيلاقي فيه حاجته. فأنا بدي هنيهم من قلبي، ويا ريت معي وقت أكثر إنه أحكي أكثر عن هالموضوع، بس مثل ما شايفي يعني الوقت عم بيداهمنا والافتتاح قريب. شكرا لكم، شكرا جزيلا.
But before George leaves, because he needs to attend also the grand opening, I want to show both of you a very special report, because here at Ferrari World not only is there exciting things to do, but also for some people there's been life-changing moments with work. Let's watch it.
One day before the doors opened, from Arabia, Asia, Europe and all over the world, 850 people have just been recruited to work in Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. One of them is Massa, working in the food and beverage department.
Hi, I'm Massa Kouri from Jordan. I'm 21 years old and I'm working in Ferrari World Abu Dhabi in Cavallino restaurant, which is a fine dining and a molecular cuisine.
Massa is a chef in one of the 6 restaurants, all providing a broad variety of different tastes. The Cavallino is a place for everyone who loves Italian food, especially a good pizza. How did she find her job?
I was looking through the internet and I found this job in an Arabic website. And I applied for it and they accepted me. A month later they called me and then they had a Skype interview with me. Before I came here, I lived with my whole family back in Jordan. I miss them a lot, but I have to gain experience in behalf. I work in the pizza station where I got the Napolitana pizza certificate. First thing in the morning, I prepare my mise en place for lunch and dinner. I make the pizzas from scratch. This is what I like to do most of my time. What I like the most in this job is time passes by very quickly. This restaurant is the first restaurant in the Middle East that has the Napolitana pizza certificate. We work as a family. I like my job is because I am gaining the best experience that I can ever find in the Middle East. Ferrari World Abu Dhabi changed my life.
Wow, she's so sweet.
Yes,
Masa.
you know, I'm really happy for her, and she's lucky.
Yeah, absolutely.
I
Well,
wish
talking
her
about
best.
dreams coming true, you come from a family that makes dreams come true.
Oh,
You,
thanks,
your
God.
sister, Asid, she's doing really well.
Yeah, she is. Thanks, God. First of all, we have maybe we are lucky because we have our parents.
Yeah,
You know, they encourage
great
us
support.
for yes, they support us, encourage us, and they give us faith in everything. So that's why. So first of all, I would like to thank them always to be beside us and show us exactly what we have to do, and we have a lot of opportunity. Thanks, God.
It's true. You're famous now. She's getting famous.
Yes, exactly.
And
She's
you
on
get
the way.
along. you get along with your sister, right? You love
Yes. Okay. There was a gap between me and her. I
Yeah.
mean, ages. But you know, I think she's not just a sister. She's like my daughter. So that's why she's still a baby, even though she's 21 years now. But for me, I treat her like she's even maybe 4 or 5 years.
It's always the same. My big sister is like that too.
Exactly,
Although there's only
yes.
2 years difference.
So you're lucky, you and Asil.
We are the lucky ones.
Yep.
Talk about luck. I feel like if I lived in Dubai, you and I would come to Ferrari World on a Friday
Oh,
and
I
have
would
a
love
stroll
to.
around because
Yes.
it's not only for men, right? It's for all of us.
It's for family, for adults, for kids, for singles. It's for all people. All people can come and enjoy them times. And I think we have to bring the camera with us. Just to catch these moments and these funny things could happen here.
Absolutely, because
Yeah.
you might also see a lot of celebrities.
And that's what's happened with you, right?
Yes, it did. A few days ago, I was here, I was walking around, and I did meet quite a few celebs. Not only Arabic ones, actually, world celebrities.
Wow.
Shall we watch?
Like you are.
His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, had a great idea. He invited local orphan kids to visit Ferrari World, and they had a lot of fun.
All right, I'm still walking around, and I just saw something really great. Let me show you. This car is the first car that Enzo Ferrari himself drove. It's really so much fun. I can tell you the whole history behind this, but hold on. That's the CEO of Ferrari World, Mohammed Al Mubarak, and with him, oh my God, Kanye West. I'll be right back.
It's really great.
Is it your first time in Ferrari World? What do you think already?
It's cool so far, yeah. Yeah.
أنا وعم بتجول بفيراري وورلد، احذروا بمين التقيت. كيفك أحمد؟
منيح
كله
تمام
تمام؟
الحمد لله.
شو وصلك على عالم فيراري؟
والله كنت موجود هنا في ابو ظبي وديجا مدعوين حتى من شركه فيراري، فقلت خلينا نجي نعمل جوله هنا في وسط المكان يعني.
واهم شيء انه وقت ما انتقلت من التلفزيون للبيج بيرفورمانسز بتحس هيك هالرابور الايميديت مع
اكيد
الجمهور.
اكيد اكيد سي ديفيرون يعني التلفزيون والكونسرت complètement différent.
Merci كثير. Thank you so much. Very nice.
Avec plaisir, moi ici.
Merci beaucoup.
Ciao.
Okay, the guests are sitting down at the moment and they're waiting for the event to start in a few moments. It's all very exciting, especially that I hear that in the VIP studio another big star has arrived. It's the Syrian actor Qusay Khawli. Hello, Qusay.
Hi, Raya. How are you?
Lujain's going to take care of you and I will be with you in a few moments. After the break, a big surprise. I'm not going to tell you what because you have to watch.
Ferrari World is a great place. You must visit. You must visit.
Back in studio here at the launch of Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. I'm very delighted to have Qusay Khawli with us in the studio. How are you?
I'm fine. Let me tell you, first of all, I'm very big fan.
Thank
really.
you so much.
Thank you.
You're